Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to crop in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Cropping a PDF in Adobe Acrobat is a useful tool for a variety of reasons, particularly when you need to streamline or customize the content of a document. So, if you're using the Adobe Acrobat Online, all you have to do is go to the Edit tab or the Edit section on the top corner, and there should be an option that says Crop Pages. You can trim page content, adjust margins, or resize pages. All I'm going to do is select a file right here. And wait for it. I'm uploading the document that I wanted to crop. Now, see, if a document has extra white space around the edges, especially after scanning, or cropping can remove these unwanted areas, making the document cleaner and more focused. All right, so you see, you have the page setting, points, trim margins, and a lot more. All right, so basically you can put any values here if you wanted, like millimeters, centimeters, and inches. You can say, for example, top is 6 and bottom is like 9. So you can see that's going to be the cropping factor. You can also adjust it to whatever position that you wanted to. For example, this. So I'm just going to retain the text here. And all I have to do is press enter or simply click the crop. You see that? Now, if you want to undo that and you accidentally crop it by mistake, just click the undo button here, right? Because sometimes PDFs include irrelevant information like watermarks or large margins that can be cropped out to make the document look more professional or easier to read. So, for example, if you wanted to crop that again, cropping can help focus attention on important, which is this, by removing any distraction, all right? If you need specific portions like this one, you can zoom out or zoom in so you can see that the specific portions of a page. Allows you to remove the rest and streamline the document. Now, once you are satisfied with this, you might want to click the three dots icon here, download a copy of this file right here to different formats, save a copy, and if you want to share this amazing cropped design to your client, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, you are welcome to do that. All right. Because sometimes printed PDFs contain unnecessary borders or areas that waste paper. So, cropping eliminates these extra parts, reducing the amount of paper used in printing. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.